Have you ever hit a wall in your workouts, struggled with digestive issues, or found it hard to recover from intense exercise? What if I told you that there's one supplement that can help with all of that and more? Enter glutamine. First things first, what exactly is glutamine? Glutamine is an amino acid, which means it's one of the building blocks of proteins. It's found naturally in your body and in many foods, but sometimes, especially during periods of intense stress or heavy exercise, your body can't produce enough on its own. That's where supplementation comes in. Glutamine is what's called a conditionally essential amino acid, meaning your body makes some, but it needs more during conditions like illness or injury or after surgery. But how much the body synthesizes will depend on several factors, including diet, health status, and your physical activity. Then, as far as food sources go, you can get about a gram for every 3-ounce serving of beef or chicken or fish. You get about 0.6 grams from 2 large eggs or a cup of lentils or black beans. Most nuts and seeds have around 0.3 to 0.6 grams per ounce. And what about protein powders? In a 20-gram serving of protein powder, pea protein will have 2 to 3 grams of glutamine. Whey has 4 to 5 grams, hemp protein has 1 to 2 grams, and collagen about 3 grams. Now, if you've done your best to get it from food sources and you're looking for more, you can take glutamine powder as a supplement. It has almost no flavor, so it's pretty easy to mix in with just about anything. Most people are consuming around 3 to 6 grams of glutamine per day, which is enough to get by, but it may be less than optimal. Research shows that getting up into the range of 5 to 10 grams a day can help with both muscle recovery and immune function. And some studies have even looked up at higher doses in the 20 to 30 gram range to support immune function and gut health in people who are critically ill. Most people familiar with glutamine think of it for its gut health, immune health, and muscle health benefits. And we'll get to all of those in a second. But not as many people are familiar with its benefits for heart health. Glutamine helps to produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and lowers blood pressure. It helps to manage high blood pressure, high cholesterol, glucose intolerance, obesity, and diabetes, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies show that glutamine supplements can protect against heart disease, improve recovery from heart injuries, and benefit those with heart failure. It also helps to maintain the integrity and the function of endothelial cells, which are the cells that line the blood vessels and are crucial for vascular health. Studies like these, looking at the effects of glutamine on cardiometabolic health, have used dosages ranging from 5 to 30 grams per day. Now let's talk about gut health. But wait, before we do, if you're enjoying this video so far, please do me a favor and click the like button and subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. It doesn't cost you a penny and is hugely supportive of our efforts to share educational videos to help people live happier, healthier lives. And if I can ask you one more favor, please watch this video until the end. It lets the algorithm know I'm doing something meaningful and helpful over here. Glutamine is essential for maintaining the integrity of the intestinal barrier. It helps to strengthen the tight junctions between cells lining the gut, which prevents passage of harmful substances into the bloodstream, which is often referred to as leaky gut. Glutamine supports the rapid turnover and regeneration of these intestinal epithelial cells, which is crucial for repairing the gut lining. Now, how does this work? Glutamine serves as the primary energy source for enterocytes. These are the cells that line the intestines. Glutamine also has anti-inflammatory effects that help to reduce inflammation in the gut and modulate the production of cytokines, which are signaling molecules that regulate inflammation. Now, when you close up these tight junctions in the gut, you create a better environment for beneficial bacteria to colonize. And a healthier gut microbiome has tons of beneficial downstream effects, especially for mood, cognition, and overall mental health. It's also tremendously helpful for irritable bowel syndrome, which is getting to be so common these days. Now, not only is glutamine the favorite food of the enterocytes lining your intestines, but there's also a lot of immune cells that love it too. I'm talking about lymphocytes, white blood cells, macrophages, and neutrophils. These cells rely on glutamine for energy to function effectively and to be able to go into doing rapid cell division when your body needs to mount an immune response. These lymphocytes are involved in recognizing and responding to the pathogens, and then macrophages and neutrophils are responsible for engulfing and destroying those pathogens. Now, glutamine has anti-inflammatory effects and also helps to balance the production of pro-inflammatory and anti-inflammatory cytokines. This is really important. This is something that caused people a lot of trouble in 2020 and 2021 as the body tried to respond to an invader. But it's kind of like detonating a nuke inside your own body to stop the invader. You can end up doing some serious and potentially fatal damage to yourself. Anyways, I didn't mean to go dark there, but the key is that glutamine can help keep these cytokines in balance. Glutamine is also an essential precursor for glutathione, the master antioxidant. It helps to protect immune cells from oxidative stress and supports the body's natural detoxification process. And glutamine is also great for athletes and those looking to maintain and build muscle. Glutamine serves as a building block for protein synthesis, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. It also plays a crucial role for transporting nitrogen into muscle cells, which is a critical component for protein synthesis and muscle tissue repair. It can also reduce delayed onset muscle soreness and reduce microscopic damage that happens to the muscle fibers. And glutamine can also be used as a fuel source by your muscles, so this can also potentially help enhance endurance. A typical dosing used for this is generally 5 grams before working out and 5 grams after. And if it's a particularly long or intense endurance workout, some people like to boost up with an extra 5 grams in the middle. Now, before we get into my last big thing that I want to share with you about glutamine, I just want to quickly say that no supplement is going to be perfect for 100% of the population. There are some people who shouldn't supplement with glutamine. This includes people with liver or kidney disease, mania, bipolar disorder, and individuals who have Ray's syndrome. Also, people undergoing cancer treatment, kids, and pregnant and breastfeeding women should definitely speak with their doctor before using glutamine. If there's one thing you remember from all of this, remember that when the going gets tough, the body needs more glutamine. During periods of physical stress, trauma, or illness, the body's demand for glutamine is going to significantly increase. Supplementing with glutamine during these times can help maintain immune function and prevent your glutamine stores from getting depleted. And in critically ill people or those who are undergoing surgery, glutamine supplementation has been shown to enhance immune recovery and reduce the risk of infection. Glutamine supports the immune system's role in wound healing and tissue repair as well. It provides the necessary building blocks for the synthesis of proteins and the other molecules that are required for healing. Now, if you've taken glutamine before, let me know in the comments what your experience has been like. And before you go, here's a link to a video that I think you'd enjoy watching next. And here's one the YouTube algorithm thinks you'd enjoy. And there's a link to our website if you'd like to try some delicious, ultra healthy chocolates. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all again next time.